Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration. Now just to unmute the ringtone, we'll just swipe to the right side with our finger, this white dot. Also we have the second way how we can do that, just by use our volume buttons here on the left side of our device. But first, here in volume button function, be sure that you have selected the ringtone volume, not the media. And now just by press up volume button, you can also unmute your device ringtone. And now just you can also unmute the ringtone just by swipe to the up this volume panel with your finger. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.